Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last weekend, some new neighbours moved in a few doors down from us. And in the evening, they popped round to introduce themselves and very kindly brought us a plate full of tiramisu, the Italian dessert. It was particularly delicious, and the next day I went round to theirs to return the plate and complimented them on the tiramisu. The guy I was speaking to revealed to me that the secret of a good tiramisu is don't stint on the sugar. If you say don't stint on something, you mean don't use too little of something or don't provide too little of something. And stint on is always used negatively. So maybe you're organising a wedding and you might say, listen, it's a wedding. It doesn't matter how much it costs. We cannot stint on the food and drink. Maybe someone's pouring you a drink and they're saying, how much gin do you want? Yeah, just keep going. Don't stint on the gin. Keep going, keep going. Okay, enough. Now just a little bit of tonic on top. Thank you. Maybe you read an autobiography that's particularly juicy. And unlike lots of other autobiographies, this one certainly doesn't stint on the gossip. It has gossip about all kinds of celebrities and famous people. And obviously, at the moment, in the current climate, countries can't stint on defence spending. You can't stint on making sure you've got sufficient arms and army for the mess that we're currently all in and heading towards more of. If you enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use not stint on.